Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to mount our Hussar T2, that is the 2-liter tank bag, on an adventure motorcycle. Today we're going to be using the BMW 1300 GS. However, the mounting instructions and methodology we're going to use is applicable to most motorcycles on the market today. So to begin the mounting process, we're going to take this strap here with the two male-ended buckles and the one smaller yoke strap here with a buckle and mount it here on our steering column. We're going to take our yoke strap here with the male end and slip it down here below the steering column. Once we have it slipped around the steering column, we bring it back up, clip it back in, and then we pretty much have it in place. However, what we're going to do now is we're going to shorten up these straps here so that the tank bag sits closer to the handlebars. Okay, now that we have our front mounting point secured, it's time for us to take our tank bag and connect it in the front. So we're going to take our two male-ended clips from the steering column here and clip them into their respective sides. Again, this strap length, according to your personal preference, you can adjust it to either be longer or closer to the handlebars. For the rear mounting points, we're going to take this long strap here and first disconnect this buckle, which leaves you with this buckle and loop. And then, in this case, we're going to take this part, like so, wrap it around the rear footrest, and then slip the buckle through, like so. We're going to take the remaining long end of the strap, clip it back on, and then undo this Velcro up at the top, push down this little tab here, and feed our strap through, and then pull to about halfway of the Velcro so that you still have this part of the Velcro that can attach to the bottom part here. Bring it down like so, and then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. Alright, now we're going to start to tighten up our straps. And at the same time, pull back a little bit on the bag so that it's nice and tight. And then with the extra strap here, with these little strap ties here, we're going to roll up our strap. Like so that it doesn't flap around and get caught in your chain or something else. Alright, now we have our 2-liter tank bag installed, but let's say that you're coming up to a gas station, you need to get gas. What do? Actually, the only thing you have to do is release these two clips here in the front, the left and the right, and then you have access to your gas tank. And then obviously once you fill up your gas and your gas cap is closed, you take your strap, clip, re-clip it, and then on the right side the same thing, and you're ready to roll. If you want to put your phone, glasses, whatever, also very easily accessible just by undoing this zipper here. You have access to everything you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave us a comment if you have any questions or concerns.